Hey, this is Rama from Creation Landscape Design, Jocelyn Landscapes. So a few weekends ago I went to the Orange County chapter of the California Native Plant Society annual garden tour, and I took some snippet videos of some of the gardens that I had seen, and I wanted to share those with you. Unfortunately, the intro that I shot using my camera got completely crapped up and I wasn't able to use it, so I'm here in a parking lot making this intro. So anyways, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, California native landscapes, sustainability around California, and if you'd like to get more of that info in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. So let's go ahead with the video, and I will show you different snippets of some of the gardens that I had seen. Okay, so this is the first garden my friend Tina and I are at. We're going to a total of 6. There's more than 6 on the tour, but I don't think we can make it to all 6. So this is the Galvizia Jansea puntabanda, one of my favorite plants. The Kenyan Prince Wild Rye. And then there's a dry creek bed. Here's the Yankee Point Ceanothus. Some of the plants look like they're existing. I believe this one is Blackfoot Daisy. Maybe. Okay, so now I'm at the other side. This is Patrick's Point Fescue. Forget the name of this plant. I forget. Some sort of sage, but some of these plants, like the ones here, look like they were already here. Alright, so we're here at the second garden and I had to switch to my phone because my camcorder decided to crap on me. This is Salvia apiana white sage, some blue-eyed grass, more Lamus, smaller variety, Ceanothus concha, some Dudleyas,
and then we're following the blue-eyed grass.
some Bird Hill Manzanita.
Say hi to Laura.
Back there, Ceanothus Ray Hartman. Look at this Bird Hill. Oh, and this Ray Hartman is gorgeous. So far, out of the 2 gardens I've seen, I like this the best. Okay, so this is the second garden on the tour. This is Ceanothus concha. I'm loving it. And so far, from the 2 gardens I've seen, this is my favorite. It's a more cohesive look. Some blue-eyed grass, some white sage right here, Bird Hill Manzanita, and behind it is a Ray Hartman Ceanothus, some smaller Lamus, and in here some Dudleyas kind of nestled in. Alright, so this is the 3rd garden I'm visiting. There's some poppies. This is a mallow, I forget which one. There's some blue-eyed grass. I have to figure, I don't remember which variety of manzanita this is, but God, it's gorgeous. It is Refugioensis. Arctostaphylos refugioensis. Some Dudleyas kind of nestled in a rock. This, I think, is Adenostema right here. More mallows. I forget which one. Indian mallow. Shaw's agave here, looking dope. sage. Love it. I like that there's a little bench here next to this.
Don't back up. There's a cactus behind you.
Ah, this is the Galvizia Gentiea Gran Canon. Oh, this is cool. Part of the gate, that's rad. Oh, love it, you can hear all the birds. Some strawberries, more dahlias.
Are you ready, Bob? Ready?
Another manzanita. More manzanitas, and this is the rest of the garden in the back. Some heucheras that are doing nicely in this shaded area. Look.
Hey, Bob, look at that.
Alright, so this is, I think, the fourth garden that we're going to in Dana Point. Got Bee's Bliss Sage, some, I believe it's Dara's Choice or David's Choice Artemisia down there. Lots of cool native plants, and I like the big boulders and the dry creek. I would have probably added bigger rocks, some sundrops.
This is what
Non-native ficus, but it's still.
I couldn't remember.
Oh, this is cool. I could sit out here.
Yes,
Mallow, I think? It's a mallow of some kind.
I think so.
Alright, yeah. This could work. I could sit out here.
Mine's together.
Okay, so we're going into the back. They have gorilla hair mulch. With this TG path. Looks nice.
I wonder who designed this. You said their view right from the deck here.
Yeah.
So you can see the ocean.
Oh, wow, yeah. Can we go up there?
Probably. Smell the creosote.
So I'm up here on their deck. Oh ho! Now that is a view. Yeah, yeah. This is what a nice ocean view looks like. Wow. Holy shit, this view. Okay, so this is the front yard of the fifth garden that we're going to in Capel Beach.
Was here when I moved here, so it's kind of ground cover. It's like a juniper.
It looks like more juniper.
Yeah, but it's real soft. You know, it's just.
Morning.
Hey, Rama, how
Or
are you?
afternoon, sorry. Hi, how are you?
Hi, Patty.
Hi, Patty.
Hi. Look at all these designers. Jody was here earlier too.
Really? We haven't seen each other in ages, I think.
No, I know.
Look at these poppies.
It's a type of juniper. It was
Yeah,
here
similar.
before.
So this is kind of a mixture of plants that were here when the property was purchased and new added natives, but what I like about this is it's cohesively done.
See how round that is? That's out of a stream that
I like this. There's a little fountain right there.
Oh yeah, this is it.
I like that kind of by the front door.
This is actually rocks. Yeah.
Little tiny gravel rocks. Oh wow.
Missouri.
So this is the back.
Yeah, that's 1977.
Alright. This is nice. Now there's still lawn, but I know the lady who lives here. There's lawn because there's grandkitties that use it, so that's the whole purpose of it. But it's still nice. And then there's this seating area. Alright, this is garden number 6. This might be the last garden we visit. It's not the 6th garden, but it's the 6th one that we're visiting. White sage, I really like. This kind of color combination of plants.
Oh, it is. It really is.
And then you kind of go in through here, sort of.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is the very last garden, so we decided to go to one more. This would be the 7th garden that we visited. I really like this. Of all the ones I've seen so far, this might be my favorite. It's just very cohesively designed with not only the selection of plant material, but also how that kind of slope here has been addressed. There's this. So this garden was actually designed by Ryan Serrano of Earth Stewart Ecology. And there's some pots here. Yeah. This is definitely nice with the dry creek bed kind of flowing through. What I like about this is you can easily spot that it was professionally done. And it's not a cookie cutter design, so it was customized for the needs of the homeowner.